Oh, kosa, kain muna tayo. Sa Kita Kids. Kita Kids. Kain muna tayo mga kosa. Dahil sahod naman, ayan. Kain muna tayo. Kasama ko yung aking kumpare. Shout out, mega shout out sa kumpare kong si Perd Sabok. Yan, may YouTube channel din yan. At si Krishna Bandari.
Yes.
At si Girly Tilos. Ayan.
Nice. Let's eat.
Yung kumpare ko, tingnan nyo talagang kumuha yung kumpare ko. Parang walang bukas. Parang walang bukas. Alright, kain muna tayo. Napa-concert dito yung kumpare ko umaosa. Ay, ang kumpare ko.
She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn off the light and lay her in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake in the morning and avoid a circumstance where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes.
Sa inyo, Joy, kain kayo? Ano na, welcome back. Sige. Kain muna kayo.
Mamaya daw sila. O, wala pang kakanta?
Wala.
Ano yan ulit si Kuya?
Isa pa kuya.
One more song.
For me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. When I found the girl, beautiful and sweet, why I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
Bye, see you.
Paano ba yan?
Bye-bye.
Sige, ingat ka doon, ingat ka. Sige, ingat ka doon.
Okay na. Bye-bye.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, no, yeah. When the day is said and done in the middle of the night, when you're fast asleep, my love, stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest girl alive. So many times I was certain you was gonna walk out.